Today, my friends, I have a very simple and quick video for you on how to replace a broken vacuum hose. Now, if you use your vacuum cleaner very often, over time these vacuum hoses can wear out and they start to tear themselves apart, either right here at the vacuum end or right here at the suction end of your hose. Now, there's a very simple way to repair this broken hose. Actually, you don't have to pay 20 to 30 bucks for a brand new hose. Let me show you how to repair it. Now, first remove this hose extension by pressing these two buttons right here. Press them together and you can remove it off. This is one moving part. Move it right here and check your hose to see if you have any more cracks on your hose. Here on the other end, also check it really nicely because you want to do this process only once. Go back here to the suction end and we will tear out this part of the hose that is completely broken. If you cannot tear it out, take this utility knife and just cut it off. Beautiful. This hose is usually somehow glued to this white part, so we need to use pliers to remove everything from this white part. But first we will cut everything off that we can with utility knife. Make sure you are very careful with utility knife because you don't want to cut yourself while doing this. I think we have managed to clean this part as good as possible. Now simply just take this healthy end of your hose and screw it into this white part. As you can see, because we have removed the original hose, you can easily remove this white part from your hose, but that is not a problem. We will use a little bit of this flex silicone to fix everything in place. Make sure you apply it pretty nicely because we want our hose to be pretty fixed inside here. Take the healthy end of your hose and press it right here inside. After a couple of minutes you have this white part fixed to the hose once again, and as you can see, after this simple process you have a healthy hose once again.